Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable Google Play Store on Samsung, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your Samsung phone and open the Settings app. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Once the Settings menu is open, scroll down until you see the Apps option. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. Next, look for the search icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. Now type Google Play Store in the search bar. Step 4. In the search results, you'll see the Google Play Store app. Tap on it to open its settings. Right now, the app is disabled, but don't worry. Step 5. To enable the Google Play Store app, simply tap on the Enable button at the bottom left corner of the screen. And that's it. You have successfully enabled the Google Play Store on your Samsung device. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.